Ih, bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
Few moments later.
First dialogue. Hello, good evening. Evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Yes. How can I help you? I would like to order one fried rice and iced tea. Okay, is here anything else to add? Oh yeah, the fried rice is spicy and without onions. Okay, then please wait a moment.
A few moments later.
This is the order you ordered. Yes, thank you.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, miss, I'm down. Can I have the bill? Sure, here's the bill. Here's the money, thank you. You're welcome. Second part. Food product. Noodle. Bread. Cheese. Fruit. Milk. Cereal. Snack. Ice cream. Chocolate. And sausages. Non-food product. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Soap. Detergent. Perfume. Shampoo. Baby diapers. Cotton bud. And toys.